Dear students, in this video you will learn about how to multiply decimal numbers. For this, let us take some examples. 2.7 multiplied by 4. For this, we will multiply simply 27 by 4, which gives 4 7 ja 28, carry 2, 4 2 ja 8, plus 2 10, 108. Now for the position of decimal, we will count the number of digits after decimal in given number, which is only 1. So the position of decimal in the answer will be after one place, after one digit from the right side. So decimal will be here. So multiplication of 2.7 and 4 is 10.8. Another example, 1.8 multiplied by 1.2. For this, we will multiply simply 18 by 12, which gives 2 8 ja 16, carry 1, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3, 1 8 ja 8 and 1 1 ja 1. After addition we get 6, 3 8 11, carry 1 plus 1 2, 216. For decimal place in the answer, we will count the number of digits after decimal places in the given number, which is 1 and 1 2. So the position of decimal in the answer will be after 2 place from the right side. It means here. So 1.8 multiplied by 1.2 gives 2.16. Another example, 2.3 multiplied by 4.35. For this, we will multiply simply 23 by 435, which gives 5 3 ja 15, carry 1, 5 2 ja 10 and 1 11, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 4 3 ja 12, carry 1, 4 2 ja 8 and 1 9. After addition we get 5 9 1 10, carry 1 1 2 2 4 6 10, carry 1 9 10. Now for the position of decimal, we will count the number of digits after decimal in the given numbers, which are 1 2 and 3. So the position of decimal in the answer will be after 3 places or after 3 digits from the right side, 1 2 3. So decimal will be here. So 2.3 multiplied by 4.35 gives 10.005. This is the multiplication of decimal numbers. Now multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Dear students, when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits in the product are same as in the decimal number, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right by as many of places as there are zeros over 1. अर्थात जब हम किसी डेसिमल नंबर को 10, 100 या 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो जितने जीरो 10, 100, 1000, 1000 में होते हैं, आंसर में डेसिमल उतने ही पॉइंट राइट साइड में मूव कर जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2.35 multiplied by 10. Here is only 1 0. So in answer, which is 235, the position of decimal place will be, or in answer, the decimal will be move right side after one place. So decimal will be after 3. So 2.35 multiplied by 10 is equal to 23.5. Another example, 2.35 multiplied by 100. Here there are 2 zeros. So decimal will be shift right side after 2 places. So answer will be 235. Decimal will be here. Another example, 2.35 multiplied by 1000. Here there are 3 zeros. So decimal will be shift right side after 3 places. 235. But there are only 2 places. For this we put 0 at the end. So 2.35 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2350. Now another example, 12.356 multiplied by 100. Here there are 2 zeros. So decimal will be shift right side after 2 places. It means here. So answer will be 1235.6. Now another example, 34.38 multiplied by 10. Here there are only 1 zero. So decimal will be shift right side just after one place. So answer will be 343.8. So this is the multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Now division of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. While dividing a number by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits of the number and the quotient are same, but the decimal point in the quotient shifts to the left by as many places as there are zeros over. For example, 32.38 divided by 10. Here there is only 1 zero. So in division, decimal will be shifted left side just after one place. So answer will be 3.238. Another example, 42.38 divided by 100. Here there are only 2 zeros. So decimal will be shifted at left side just before 2 places. So answer will be 0.4238. So 42.38 divided by 100 is equal to 0.4238. Another example, 412.38 divided by 1000. Here there are 3 zeros. So in this division, decimal will be shifted left side just before 3 places. So answer will be 0.41238. So dear students, this is the division of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Now division of a decimal number by a whole number. For this, let us take some example. Example number 1, 6.4 divided by 2. For this, first we remove the decimal and we will write 64 upon 10 divided by 2. You know that for division we will convert division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 2. So 64 upon 10 convert division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 2, which is 1 upon 2, which gives us 64 divided by 2 32 times, which gives 32 upon 10, and division of 10 gives us 3.2. So 6.4 divided by 2 is equal to 3.2. Another example, 12.96 divided by 4. First we remove decimal point and we get 1296 upon 100 divided by 4. Now convert the division into multiplication and we will get 1296 upon 100 multiplied by 1 by 4, which is reciprocal of 4. And 1296 divided by 4, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, and 4 4 ja 16, which gives 324 upon 100, which gives 3.24. So 12.96 divided by 4 is equal to 3.24. Another example, 40.86 divided by 6. First we remove decimal point and we will get 4086 upon 100 divided by 6. Now convert division into multiplication. We will get 4086 upon 100 multiplied by 1 upon 6, which is reciprocal of 6. And 4086 is divided by 6. 6 6 ja 36. 4 48, 6 8 ja 48, and 6 1 ja 6, which gives 681 upon 100, and finally we will get 6.81. So 40.86 divided by 6 is equal to 6.81. Now division of a decimal number by another decimal number. For this we will first remove decimal point and we will get 255 upon 10 divided by 5 upon 10. Now convert division into multiplication. We will get 255 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 5, which is reciprocal of 5 upon 10, and 10 1 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25, and 5 1 ja 5. So final answer is 51. Now 22.5 divided by 1.5. First remove decimal place. We will get 225 upon 10 divided by 15 upon 10, which gives 225 upon 10. Convert division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 15 upon 10, which is 10 upon 15. 10 1 ja 10, and 15 15 ja 225. So answer is 15. Another example, 7.75 divided by 0.25. First remove the decimal. We will get 775 upon 100 divided by 25 upon 100. Now convert division into multiplication. 775 upon 100 multiplied by 100 upon 25, which is reciprocal of 25 upon 100. 100 100 cancel one times, and 25 3 ja 75, 77 minus 75 2, this is 25, 25 1 ja 25, so final answer is 31. Another example is 42.8 divided by 0.02. First remove the decimal and we find 428 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 100. Now convert division into multiplication. We will get 428 upon 10 multiplied by 100 upon 2, which is reciprocal of 2 upon 100. 100 divided by 10 times, and 428 divided by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 214 multiplied by 10, which gives 2140, which is the final answer. So dear students, this is the division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So dear students, in this video you have learnt about division of a decimal number by another decimal number, division of a decimal number by a whole number, division of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So thank you so much.